This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Terri Baker. Darling craftsman bungalow waiting for new owner. Home shows pride of ownership and more. 30 years architectural shingle roof, beautiful wood FLS, replacement windows, upgraded HVAC. All new SS appliances, elec range, microwave, dishwasher and refrigerator. Charming wide-foot porch, spacious living room west/fireplace flanked by windows. Classic craftsman columns west/cabinetry separate the LV from the LG dining room. 3 generously sized bdrms and a renovated hall bath comprise the private quarters, along west/shower and sink and laundry room. For more information, review the details below.